The chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff is fired by President Trump. How rare is this event? Brought to you by the Travel and History Colonel. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. Yesterday, February 21st, 2025, President Donald Trump stunned the nation by firing Air Force General C.Q. Brown Jr., the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, just 16 months into his term. Trump nominated retired Lieutenant General Dan "Raising" Caine as the replacement, really shaking up the Pentagon. So, how rare is this? Let's dive in. Does the chairman need to be on active duty? Usually yes, but Trump's pick, Caine, is retired. It's rare, yet not impossible. Maxwell Taylor was recalled from retirement in 1962 to serve under Kennedy. Historically, firing a chairman is almost unheard of. Since the position began, we've seen resignations or retirements. Think General Maxwell Taylor retiring in 1964 or Mark Milley stepping down in 2023, but no outright sackings. The role was created by the National Security Act of 1949 to advise the president and unify the military branches. The first black chairman was General Colin Powell, serving from 1989 to 1993. General Brown was the second. The chairman's term is typically 4 years, bridging administrations for stability. Trump's move breaks that mold. It's reminiscent of Truman firing General Douglas MacArthur in April 1951 during the Korean War. MacArthur defied orders, clashing with Truman's vision, so Truman axed him to reinforce civilian authority. Did Brown defy presidential orders or those of the new Secretary of Defense? Regardless, Trump's decision is bold with historical echoes. What's next for the Pentagon? Stick around to find out. Thanks for watching the Travel and History Colonel. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment.